Hello, Miss Emil with you again. Let's continue exploring volcanoes. Please tell me, is this text a fiction or a non-fiction? It's non-fiction. You can see it here. Non-fiction. It's real. The text is about something real. Do you remember how do we call this? This orange part? Main heading. Great. Do we have any subheadings on this page? Yes, we do. It's over here, the small orange one. Great. Then how do we call this one and this one? A picture, a photo, a diagram. Great. How do we call this part? A sentence explaining what's on the picture. Caption. Excellent. How do we call this thing? This one. A table or a chart. Great. Do you remember how do we call this part? The sentences that are calling us to keep on reading. Introduction. Good job. Now let's continue reading. Let's go to page 72. Write the date at the top. Dante 2. These two lines mean this is number 2. This one and this one. Dante 2. How do we call this blue part? It's another subheading, you're right. So let's read. Dante 2 is a robot which is used to explore the inside of a volcano. People safely remain outside while they direct the robot where to go and what to do inside the volcano. Dante 2 moves around and records information. This information is sent back to the control room. Inside the control room, a computer uses the information to work out how hot the gases are inside the volcano. This information can help people to work out how soon the volcano may erupt. Dante 2 can also collect rock samples. All right, now let's talk about it. Let's read it one more time and let's explain each part. Dante 2 is a robot. Can you see this picture, this photo, the diagram? Let's read this part. Scientists prepare Dante 2 to explore Mount Spur in Alaska. So this is the robot. It doesn't really look like the one in cartoons, right? It's so different. Can you see it? This is a real robot and it will go up to explore a mountain. Not it will go, it actually went already. Okay, so this is a robot and it's used to explore inside a volcano. Is it safe to go inside volcano for people? No. Why not? Let's check. Do you remember this part? Because inside an active volcano, the air is hot and full of toxic gases, so people could die or get really hurt if they go inside and then the volcano just decides to erupt at that moment. Do you remember which volcano erupted and killed 9 people? Do you? Check. Check here. Which one was it? Here, this one. So let's read the name. Galeras. Great. All right. People safely remain outside. What is the meaning of remain? Stay. People safely stayed outside. And while they direct the robot where to go and what to do inside the volcano. So people stay outside of the volcano and then just the robot goes inside the volcano. Is that okay? Does the robot need the clean air to breathe? No. So it's safe for the robot to go inside. And Dante, this one, Dante 2, moves around and records information. So it has some kind of program and it keeps recording. And probably somehow like the internet, it's sending the information it has back to the control room. Control room will be the place where the scientists are sitting and just waiting for information from this robot to come back, then to figure out what to do with this information. And then inside control room, a computer uses the information to work out how hot the gases are inside the volcano. So it's recording. If it's cold, then volcano is sleeping. But if it starts getting hot, what does that mean? That volcano is waking up, and if it gets really, really hot, then the volcano will probably erupt. So the information can help people to work out how soon the volcano may erupt. So if it's super, super hot and there are people up on the mountain, on the volcano, then they will tell them, go away, go save yourselves, because the volcano might explode. Great. And Dante too also is collecting the rock samples, so it's going around. And then, do you think it has hands? Does it look like it has hands? Then how is it collecting different rocks? I guess we have to go to next page and figure it out. I will pause the video here and then record another one for page 73. Thanks.